Hi everyone, I'm Wayne. Today I'll be talking about embedding create.py. So what what does embedding create does is that it basically converts all your process documents into embeddings. And as you know that we have already converted all the documents into chunks and in a pickle format, embedding create we use that to uh generate your embeddings. So now let's go into the code. Uh, one one thing you need to notice is that you need to choose the embedding model that you want to use, and we currently support all of these models. So just choose the one you want to use, and then just put it in the function. And then this is basically where all the magic happens, all the conversion, all the embedding create happens. First you choose the directory of the process documents, and for this case it's 61A chunk, and then you pick the embedding name, and then you pick the folder name that you want to store your embeddings, and then you pick a model. And then now let's go into detail on what the function does. So firstly, it initializes like a lot of this because you need to store a lot of list of things. ID list contains the title. Document list is basically the list of your chunks, the strings. Embeddings are basically the embeddings created from the model. URL list contains the URLs. And then, as you can see, we have a model input here. So accordingly to the model, it would try to not try, it would config like it would configure the embedding model. It would start to run it, and then yeah, it will run like it has different way, like different models have different ways to run it. So this is the place where it handles all the embedding models. Like it starts to run it, and then once it starts to run, it will go through the process document. It will go through each pickle folder, and what it would do is that it will obtain the documents, and then it obtain the ID list, which is like the segment path, which is also the title, and then accordingly to the input of the model, it will create an embedding based on what model input. So, and again, different models have different way of handling embedding create. Like OpenAI has their own function calling, which AI has their own function calling. So we will all handle like the embedding creates. Then what it does in the end is that it converts all of the lists into a NumPy array, and we store it in a variable. So these are the elements included in the embedding. And then once you store in a dictionary, we store this dictionary into the folder that we specified just now, which is pickle, and then it would store this into a pickle, and this pickle file will be stored into pickle. And that's basically where you get your knowledge base. And that pickle file will contain all of your knowledge base, all of your process, like embeddings, and all of your URLs in one pickle file. And then we can use that knowledge base to in like any of the check computation models that you run. And then that's basically your RAG system.